Meaning of geopolitical.
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 Geopolitical. Geopolitical refers to the study of the relationship between politics and geography, particularly with regards to the influence of geographical factors on international relations and the strategic importance of certain locations. It involves an understanding of the way that physical boundaries, resources, and terrain can shape political strategies and alliances between nations. Geopolitical considerations play a critical role in global affairs, including issues such as territorial disputes, access to resources, and military strategy. As such, a deep knowledge of geopolitics is crucial for policymakers and analysts seeking to navigate complex international challenges.